Hello everyone. Take a section from the top of the hair and then make multiple sections on the side as such. Then taking the central portion of this, divide it into two parts and then begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, move sidewards and then include sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp, that is the sections you have initially left out, into this braid. Join the two braids at the back and tie a bow. Next, take a section off the top of the hair and then taking the front portion, make 3 more sections on either side. Then begin to braid the center section after dividing it into 2 parts and then move it along the side. Include sections from the other sections that you have created at the top and then let it be. Next, after adding some hair gel in the hair, comb it and then make a section in the front. Add multiple sections in the front by adding rubber bands and then braid the bottom portion of it. Tie a ponytail at the back and then begin to braid the hair at the back. Include multiple sections into it and then roll it up into a bun. Next, diagonally divide the hair as such and then at the bottom make multiple sections out of the hair and then join it to the top on the left side. Make a braid on the left side of the ponytail and then roll it up into a bun. Take a section from the front of the hair and then divide it into 3 parts and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid, that is sections from the front of the hair. Join it in the braid at the back and then roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Next, use some hair gel and then tie a ponytail to the hair. Then add a hair twine into this ponytail, wrap the hair around this hair twine and then twist it. Roll it up into a bun as such and then tie it up tightly in place. Adjust the bow wherever you want it to be. Next, start off by taking a section off the front of the hair and then begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. However, include only sections from one side of it, that is the side from the central parting. Tie a rubber band at the bottom. Next, divide the section of the hair into 4 parts and then at the top tie a ponytail, divide it into 2 parts, make 2 braids, join it at the bottom ponytail. Start by making a braid from the top, make a braid out of it, and as you progress with this braid, include sections from the front of the scalp into this braid. Now, taking the back section, begin to braid the hair. Include more and more sections of the hair into this braid as such. Now, as you continue to do it, include more and more sections of the hair and then move in more towards the other side. Continue to do this until you reach the bottom and then make a normal braid once you reach the bottom. Thank you for watching.